Buying organic CBD oil. Buying CBD oil online or locally can be confusing. Many companies are claiming their CBD oil is organic, but how can you be sure of what you're actually getting? Let's look at a few things we should consider in buying CBD oil and products. Is it made from non-genetically altered hemp plants? Non-genetically altered hemp has not been genetically modified by scientists or chemists in a laboratory. Genetically altering plants is adding another organism into the plant they want to modify. Altering the genetic structure of a plant can produce unpredictable results and disrupt the functions of the compounds in the plant. Is it free from harsh chemicals, pesticides and fertilizer? The basic concept of organically grown means no pesticides or commercial fertilizers were used on the plants. We've all seen how commercial pesticides can harm both the farmers and the plants. Organically grown plants are environmentally and consumer-friendly. What extraction process was used? When it comes to CBD oil, the best way to extract the CBD and other compounds from the plant is CO2 extraction. CO2 extraction uses CO2 under extreme high pressure to extract CBD, terpenes, and other natural compounds from the plant material. Because CO2 acts as a solvent in the extraction process, it replaces harsh chemicals and gases such as butane and hexane. It also acts as a filter to separate the essential compounds in the plant. The end result is a more refined, pure, and natural product. Unfortunately, CO2 extraction is expensive, but is by far the best way to ensure you're getting the purest CBD oil. Are laboratory tests and results made public? A critical element in buying the best organic CBD oil is the transparency of the manufacturer. There are so many brands available it is difficult for a consumer to separate the good from the bad. A recent study of 84 CBD products from 31 companies were analyzed and 26% contained less CBD than stated on the label. Only buy your CBD products from manufacturers who make available all lab tests and results to the consumer. Certified lab tests from an independent testing facility should be available to any consumer who is concerned with the quality of the products they are buying. Are the products guaranteed? A consumer guarantee can go a long way in establishing trust in a product and the manufacturer. If a company makes statements about their products, quality, purity, or their manufacturing methods, they should stand behind those statements with a quality and satisfaction guarantee. By offering a 100% satisfaction guarantee, they are showing they believe in their products and want you to believe and trust in them too. Where are the products made? Do you really know where the CBD oil you buy from a chain store or Amazon is made? Unfortunately, there are still people in all businesses who are only out to make a quick buck. Products made in some countries may not be made to the highest standards, and could potentially pose a health risk. Verify where the products are made, what standards were used in the manufacturing process, and only buy products with a guarantee.